The holiday season is just around the corner. Pictory brings you the top 5 Christmas templates that will add that extra sparkle to your videos. Head over to the templates section. For the holiday magic, there are 2 things to look for: color and font style. Green, red, and gold are the main colors I think of for Christmas. Styles of fonts for that extra festive feel. You could use calligraphy or any handwritten styles for that Santa wishlist feel. Our first template is natural. It has the festive style writing of a Christmas list for Santa, complete with the green and yellow colors. Perfect for those who love a classic Christmas look. Next up, we have fun. This template adds vibrant colors and a touch of holiday warmth to your visuals, ideal for capturing the joyful and spirited moments of the season. If you're a fan of vintage charm, Investigate is the one for you. It gives your photos a nostalgic feel with the typewriter font and a touch of old-school Christmas charm. Now let's bring a touch of modern elegance with Florentine. This template combines sleek designs, clean lines, and a contemporary color palette to give your visuals a stylish and modern Christmas look. Last but certainly not least, we have Rouge. This template adds that classic Christmas red, with the white snow-colored text making it perfect for any festive video. That's not all. With Pictory, you can add your personality to our templates to make them your own, changing anything from the colors, size, and font to make your perfect festive template. So there you have it, Pictory's top 5 Christmas templates. Whether you prefer a classic or a modern and stylish look, Pictory has you covered. Sign up and start creating today.